सर तुम्ही आज गव्हर्नमेंट हायस्कूल मेर्शे हांगासर येयल्या त्याच्या फाटलें प्रयोजन किंवा कारण कितें आसा?
आमची जे मँग्रोव सोसायटी ऑफ इंडिया जी आसा NGO working for last 36 years for protection, conservation and management of mangrove on the Indian coastline. And Mangrove Society of India, that's short form is MSI, he has been recognized as a national body for the protection and conservation of mangroves in India. Over the period we have come to know that the mangrove has been getting degraded because of the various reasons, developmental program, then pollution, then global warming and all sorts of things. Because of that, mangrove are getting degraded. So we Mangrove Society of India, we thought that to create awareness with the people all at different states. So we are targeting now for the schools, high schools, higher secondary and college students as well. And we are starting that mangrove unit. The purpose of starting mangrove unit is to create awareness among the students. Let the students know what are the mangroves, why they are important for us, and what are the benefits we get from them. This is what we are planning, and our main purpose to start the mangrove unit. Now we have already started 7 units. This is the 8th unit we are starting today in this government school. And we are going to give them all the benefits. We will give them different lectures and all these things. We will show them different things, and we will take them in the field and show them what talk about mangrove, what types of mangroves are there, how they survive, how they take the support of such a large biodiversity and all that. We are going to show them.
सर तुम्ही म्हटल्याप्रमाणे आमच्या हायस्कूल गव्हर्नमेंट हायस्कूल मेर्शे यांच्यानी पहिली 3 वर्सां फाटी मँग्रोव्ज झाडांक प्रत्येक भुरग्यान आपल्या घरा कडल्यान तयार करून हाडलेली राखी बांदली. त्या उपक्रमाबद्दल तुम्ही कितें सांगात किंवा दुसऱ्या स्कुलांक कितें तेजो संदेश मेळटा?
तुम्ही जिथे विचार करून पाहिलं त्यांना वी आर ऑल्सो MSI इज ऑल्सो द पार्ट ऑफ इट. आम्ही सुद्धा त्यांना जॉईन झाले पाहिजे. इज अ व्हेरी गुड इनिशिएटिव्ह फॉर द एज फार एज द mangrove is concerned. If people are taking mangrove as their friends, as their brothers, sisters and all that, that's why they are trying. And this is a very good initiative, and you should continue this every year. And more people should get involved in this because they know what the importance of the mangrove. Now if you see, there are many people in our Goa and all this thing, they don't know what is the importance of the mangrove. They still think that mangrove are the wasteland. The chikkal asta, so the people, they don't like to go, but they don't know the benefits of the mangrove. Now I tell you one important thing, that global warming is taking place now, temperature is increasing here now and then, but the only solution to curb the global warming is the mangrove. Because mangrove absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, store it in the body as well as in the soil. So carbon dioxide is being reduced. It's more than 8 times more than any other ecosystem on the planet Earth. So mangrove is the only solution to get rid of this global warming. So we should work, we should have more and more mangrove. We should plant more mangrove because in Goa there are many areas where the mangrove has been degraded. So we have to replant them. And we Mangrove Society of India can give you technical know how to plant, how to raise mangrove nursery, how to plant, where to plant and when to plant. All the technical know we can give you.
येस सर, जसे तुम्ही म्हटले मँग्रोव्ज युनिट सेम आमच्या स्कूल जे आसा अनेक उपक्रम राबयत असतात. तितून एक तुमकां हांवें म्हटल्या विज्ञान सेतू असो आमी एक फूल गेल्या एकाडेमीक इयरांत केलो. त्या बद्दल तुमकां कितें सांगपाचें दिसता?
विज्ञान सेतू हांवें आयकला तुमचे बद्दल त्या आनी इट इज अ व्हेरी व्हेरी गुड इनिशिएटिव्ह. You are creating the scientific minds in the young generation. That is what required. As if you see that whatever the action we do is all based on science. But nobody explains to the children what is the science behind that. That you have taken the initiative. This is a very excellent program, but you should take this initiative in many places and try to have more and more people.
नमस्कार, माझे नाव श्रद्धा रमेश परब आणि हांव गव्हर्नमेंट हायस्कूल मेर्शे ह्या स्कुलाची टिचर. तर आयज आमी खास दिसाची सुरवात केला. खास दीस म्हटल्यार आमी मँग्रोव्ज युनिट हेजें आयज उद्घाटन केलां. मँग्रोव्ज हे करच्या फाटलें कारण जें आहा तें ही कल्पना जी आसा ती आमच्या हेडमास्टर सरांची, श्री विशाल सिंगापूरकर सरांची. आनी हे करच्या फाटलें जें कारण जें आसा तें म्हटल्यार आयज आमी पळयता की चडशे कडेन मँग्रुव्ज जे आसा ते कमी जायत वयता आनी ही जागृताय सगळ्यां मदीं येवची आनी हे जे मँग्रुव्ज आसा ते वाचोवपा खातीर आमी हे स्टेप घेतला आनी फूल एकाडेमीक इयर आमी हेचेर काम करतले. धन्यवाद.